Hi friends, Chi-Wei here. I want to take a few minutes to answer the two most asked questions about my Baby Humpback Whale crochet pattern. In this video, I'll go over how to shape the nose of the whale and then how to shape the top dorsal fin. Let's get started. I've worked up a quick swatch of the top panel of the whale just for this video. Don't worry about the funny shape of the swatch. We're only going to be looking at the bottom row and the top row. We're going to be looking at the first few rows of the whale top. You can see that as we've increased the number of stitches in each row, the beginning edge of the whale bends slightly. Fold this beginning edge together to make the nose. Thread your beginning tail onto a tapestry needle. Fold that first row in half and use a mattress stitch to sew the two edges together. The mattress stitch is a great way to create an almost invisible seam. It's definitely one of my favorite stitches for sewing up seams. If you don't have a long enough tail, you can sew up the edges with another length of yarn and weave in the extra ends. When you've sewn to the fold itself, make sure to tuck your yarn to the back side of your work and weave in that end. This is the top portion of the nose. You can see that you now have a straight edge with which to connect the bottom piece of the whale. The top dorsal fin is worked at row 49 of the whale top. For this row, you'll work one single crochet in the first stitch, work 2 stitches together to make a decrease, and work 12 single crochet stitches. Next, fold the panel in half, making sure to line up the edges of the panel. You can see that there are 4 stitches until the center of the row, and then there are 4 stitches on the other side of that center. These 8 stitches around the center of the row will become the dorsal fin itself. So take your crochet hook and insert your crochet hook into the next stitch under both loops, and then under the 2 loops of the corresponding stitch on the other side of the fold. And that makes 4 loops total. And then you can complete your single crochet. And then complete the other 3 single crochets in the same way, working under all 4 loops when you have the piece pinched together. You're now at the top of the fin. Chain 1, turn your work, and work slip stitches in the next 4 stitches. You're basically going to be working the slip stitches down the back of the fin. From here, you can see that you have the rest of the row uncompleted and it is not pinched together. And what is pinched together are those 8 stitches at the center of the row, except now they're condensed into 4 stitches and they make up the back of the dorsal fin. So now you can finish the row by working 12 single crochet stitches, 1 decrease stitch, which is working 2 single crochet stitches together, and then finishing the row with a single crochet. And you've completed your dorsal fin. On the next row, as you come towards the center of the row, you're going to hit that last stitch on one side of the dorsal fin. And there's nothing special you have to do here. Just go right ahead, skip to the other side of the dorsal fin and work right into the next stitch. All those stitches should be pretty clear to see. Even in this little swatch, you can see the 3D shape of the whale start to form. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'd love for you to like this post, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and keep sharing your projects with me on Instagram with #OneDogWolf. Thanks for watching and happy crafting!